So let's quickly go over the types of tests and get the boring theory out of the way, because this might be useful to you to know about these terms, because you're going to hear people constantly talk about this and debate this, even if it doesn't help you at all to writing your test. So unit testing is making sure an individual part like a method or component works, and integration testing is making sure that several methods or components work together. And then you have end-to-end testing, meaning simulating the actual user experience inside a browser, like testing a Discord login integration, for example. And for that one, you're going to hear often, and an amazing tool for that is Cypress, which works great with the testing library you're going to use, but it's overkill for us in this example. So the only thing you should care about is writing a test. If you're using any of these methods to achieve that, it's going to be an accident and completely irrelevant. You don't do testing to please others, but to give yourself confidence. If we strip away the terminology and technology, we're only left with something simple, which is making our test work. And if you want to look further at this, we can go to Testing JavaScript by the amazing Kenzie Dodds, of course, and we can see how he describes this in what he calls the testing trophy. So at the bottom you have your static analysis, and that's your linters and TypeScript, etc. And then you have unit testing, integration testing, and end-to-end testing. The second thing you're going to ask is what to test, and that's a really good question. And this depends, of course, but you always want to test something that's most critical to your application. So you might not have the time or resources to test every aspect of your application, and that's fine. So test the parts that are a disaster if they fail, such as a checkout process. Or in our example in the to-do list step, we really want users to be able to add, remove, and edit the to-dos. So yeah, that's it.